Hi, hello buddies. In this video I'll explain you what are the powers of 9 and how 9 controls all the other numbers and space time and many other details. Watch the video completely. You will be really amazed by seeing this video. The things which I explain will be somewhat tricky, so watch carefully to have better experience. And let's aim for 100 likes for this video, and I promise you that this video will be really amazing, so please watch till the end. Nikola Tesla, the greatest mind of all the time and a man of mysteries, said if you knew the magnificence of 3, 6 and 9, you would have a key to the universe. So what did he mean by this? Had he found some code of the universe? In this video I will tell you why did Nikola Tesla say this. After watching this video you will understand how our whole universe is controlled by numbers 3, 6 and 9 and how they are present everywhere in the universe. You will also know how the numbers 3, 6 and 9 represent a higher dimensional world while the rest of the numbers belong to our 3-dimensional world. I will also discuss how the number 9 is controller of all the other numbers and how it can control even a space and a time. Here I will provide many mathematical and physical evidences and examples to prove how the number 9 is present everywhere and is the controller of all the other numbers and the universe. Our universe is so mathematical. Almost everything in nature is highly symmetrical and follows geometrical patterns. We can see these patterns in the form of golden ratios and Fibonacci sequences present in many things in the nature. Everything is made up of particles, and if we go deeper at even more microscopic level, we reach into the quantum world, which is pure mathematics. All the living things in this world are made up of cells. Multicellular organisms are formed by the division of a single cell. A single cell divides into 2 cells, and then after both of cells we get 4 cells. Then 8, 16, 32 and 64 and 128 cells are produced. In this way the doubling sequences continues and finally we have a full multicellular organism. Now let's try to understand the sequence mathematically. You can see here is the sequence of doubling of numbers starting from the number 1 like 1, 2, 4, 8 and so on. Here the next number is the double of the previous number. Now we will convert all of these numbers into a single digit number. For this we will add the digits of the number until we get a single digit number. This final single digit is called the digital root of the number. So you can see the digital root of these numbers. Now observe the digital roots shown in the orange color. Can you observe a pattern here? You will see a repeated sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. Even if you repeat up to infinity, the same pattern repeats. Now instead of doubling the numbers, let's halve the numbers repeatedly. This time also we will start with number 1, add all the digits of the number and get the digital root as shown here. You will be surprised to see that this time too we get the same numbers repeatedly that we got in the case of doubling the numbers. So in both the cases, the doubling and halving the numbers, we are getting the same numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7 and 5. Did you notice one amazing thing here? In both the sequences, numbers 3, 6 and 9 are missing every time. In the diagram, these repeating numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7 and 5 are shown in white color. Numbers that are present in the sequence every time, that is 3, 6 and 9, are shown by yellow color. But what does the absence of the numbers 3, 6 and 9 in the sequence mean? Does it point to any secret code of God or some mystery of the universe? According to some researchers, numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 7 and 5 represent our 3-dimensional world where we live in. An absence of 3, 6 and 9 in the sequence means these numbers belong to a higher dimensional world. But what will happen if we double or half the numbers starting from number 3, 6 Let's double the number starting from 3, 6. On doubling the previous number, we get the next number. Now find the digital root of the numbers. You will be surprised. After seeing the results, we will get only two numbers, 3 and 6 every time. Notice all the numbers that were present in the previous sequences are absent this time, and numbers 3 and 6 are completely absent in the previous sequences. Okay, let's do some more maths. This time we will have the numbers repeatedly, starting from the number 3. Here are the 3 numbers. Now again get the digital roots of the numbers by adding the digits of the numbers, and here is what we get. Amazing. This time also we get the same numbers 3 and 6. Hence, whether we double or half the numbers, if we start with the number 3, we get numbers 3 and 6 only. Even if we double or half the numbers starting from the number 6, we will get the same number 3 and 6 every time. But surprisingly, even this time 9 is absent in the sequence. Actually, number 9 controls the numbers 3 and 6, and the numbers 1, 2, 4 are controlled by the number 3, while the numbers 8, 7, 5 are controlled by number 6. In this way, the number 9 controls all the numbers. You will get incredible results when we start doubling halving the numbers from number 9. We are getting only a single number 9. What will happen if we halve the numbers repeatedly starting from the number 9? What do you see? We are getting number 9 every time. No other number is present in the sequence. Even on adding the digits, the table of 9, we get the number 9 only. So we see whether we double or half the numbers starting from number 9, we always get the number 9 only. It implies that the number 9 represents itself. Now let me show you how powerful the number 9 is and how it is present everywhere in the universe. Let's start dividing a circle and see the sum of digits of all the results. As we know that full circle makes an angle of 360 degrees at its center. If we add the digits of 360 degrees, we get the number 9. But what will happen if we keep on dividing the circle in half infinitely? The results that we get will definitely blow your minds. A semicircle makes an angle of 180 degrees at the center, which again adds up to 9. Now again divide the circle in half and we have an angle of 90 degrees. Find the digital root of the number. It's 9 again. Repeat the same process and we will get 9 as the digital root. Now see what will happen if we keep on dividing the circle in half repeatedly. Unbelievably, you will get number 9 as the digital root every time, even on repeating the same process infinite times. But is this true only for a circle, or does it apply to polygons also? Here is a triangle. We know that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. On adding the digits of the number, we get 9. In case of a rectangle also, if we add the digits of the sum of all the interior angles of a rectangle, which is 360 degrees, we get number 9. Now we have a pentagon. Sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees, which also adds up to 9. We get the same digital root 9 on repeating the same process for hexagon, heptagon and octagon. If you have watched till here, I think you like this video. So please like the video and continue to watch. If we keep on increasing the number of sides of a polygon, we will get the same number 9 every time. Did you notice an amazing thing here? When we were dividing the circle in half repeatedly, we were reaching the singularity of this space. As every time we got the number 9, it means the number 9 follows the space up to its singularity. And we were increasing the numbers of sides of the polygon was looking like a circle. As the number of sides of the polygon approaches infinity, it becomes a circle. As in all the polygons, we got number 9. It means the number 9 also follows the space up to infinity. So it is clear that the number 9 is present from singularity of the space to the infinity of the space. Now I will give you more examples that will help you in believing that the number 9 exists at all the places in the universe. Does the number 9 has any relationship with time also? Yes, of course. It proves that the number 9 is present everywhere in space and time. This is not all. If we talk about the Hindu religion, we will find the number 9 at different places. It has been found by the researchers that our universe vibrates at a frequency of 432 Hz. This 432 Hz also reduces to number 9, a well-known symbol of Om, on pronouncing correctly, produces a frequency of 432 Hz, the frequency at which the universe vibrates. On observing the shape of the Om symbol, it appears to be a combination of 3, 6 and 9 with the number 9 at the top of the 3 and 6. A sacred number in Hinduism, 108, reduces to number 9. The number of chapters in Srimad Bhagavad Gita is 18. Mahabharata war lasted for 18 days. Number of warriors left alive after the Mahabharata war was 18. Now I will prove how number 9 represents everything and also nothingness. Actually, number 9 is the same as the number 0 in some sense. But how? Let's understand. In any number, if we replace 0 by 9, then there will be no change in the digital root of the number. One more thing, as we get 0 on multiplying any number by 0, in the same way we get number 9 as the digital root on multiplying it with number 9. Since 0 is the same as number 9, let me tell you one more amazing fact about number 9. If we add all the numbers except number 9, that is from number 0 to number 8, the sum of reduces to number 9. Hence we can say that number 9 represents all the other numbers. It represents itself and also nothingness and everything. Number 9 is the king of all the numbers that controls all the other numbers and space-time. So friends, this was all about mystery. I have recently started Instagram account. Link is in the description. If interested, follow our channel for latest updates.